What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be cooking. It is currently like 4:50 in the morning. And yeah, I just decided to make a video. Okay, guys, so the things that you need is number one, bread, 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 bread. Second is tomato sauce. Third is cheese. Fourth is pepperoni. Or to be honest, any type of meat would work. Fifth is a seasoning, either parsley. Parsley is recommended, but you can use oregano. You can use maybe cilantro. Any type of plant seasoning, I guess you could say. This is how you really get that pizza taste on the bread. Okay, those are the main ones. Optional is either some cooking spray or vegetables, such as peppers, onion, things like that. Okay, guys, so I got my pan and I got my aluminum foil on it. Now, normally I put this in the toaster oven, right? But I'm deciding to put it in the oven right below me. So hopefully it'll taste better. That's what I'm assuming. But there's a chance I might just mess it up completely. But if you don't want to risk that, just put it in the toaster oven for like 10 minutes. That'll be good. But come on, cooking oil spray. I think you're supposed to put this on aluminum foil when you cook things like bread and stuff. I don't know. It might be. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully, I know what I'm doing. Now, we got, as you see, our tomato sauce and our bread. So, we're gonna put the bread first, okay? And make sure they are next to each other, very close. Hopefully you guys are just listening to this and not watching it, because I'm trying my best to record this and do this. We're gonna put this on there, but I need to get a spoon. So watch this transition. Alright guys, so I got my spoon here. So we're gonna pick this up, put it on the bread. Put like a good amount, guys. Don't drench it, don't put. It needs to be enough, okay, to cover all the bread. Okay guys, so we got the sauce on there. And I just realized that I didn't season the bread, okay? My fault. Guys, normally you're supposed to season the bread guys. So I got them right here on a plate. There's ranch on them. I just realized I forgot to show before and after, but here's one. Got ranch on it, chicken, pepperoni, all that stuff. It just looks beautiful. Man, this is so good. So guys, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. If you don't know what to make or you want a midnight snack, try out this recipe. I'll show it to you guys one more time. Because this is so good. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Man, it is so dark in my room, you guys can't even see me. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and stay faded, stay hydrated. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.